Hi, hello, welcome everybody. Here's our Saxon Lesson 39. Okay, we are going to try to alphabetize again. Let's see if it is as easy with 12 letters as it is with 10. Okay? So, I am going to give you, actually we're going to alphabetize real fast. I'm going to give you 3 words and you guys are going to tell me which word goes first and then which one goes next and which one goes last. I have the word read, book, and dictionary. Which word goes first, Amariah? Book, because it starts with a B. What word goes next, Brenaya? Dictionary. What word goes last, Rena? Read. Very good, because it starts with the R. Good job. All right, let's go over our letter cards, affix, and picture. All right, you ready?
Diagraph T-A. Diagraph T-A. Diagraph S-H. Diagraph E-A. Diagraph combination.
Combination E-R.
Combination I-R. Combination U-R. Combination U-U. Combination A-R. Combination O-R. Combination W-A. Consonant E. E consonant E. I consonant E. O consonant E. U consonant E. O diagraph E.
Good job. You remember that those are diagraphs. How do we code diagraphs? Underline them. Very good. Okay. Our affix cards, they're suffixes. Suffixes are in the beginning or the end? The end. Go ahead.
Suffix S. Suffix S-E-S-S. Suffix I-N-G. Suffix E-D.
Very good. Very quick. All right. Now our picture cards. You ready?
Yes.
Duck,
Duck.
feather, z,
Feather.
thimble,
Thimble.
shark, sh,
Shark.
cheese, ch,
Cheese.
anchor, k,
Anchor.
chef, sh,
Chef.
rose, z,
Rose.
butter,
Butter.
bird,
Bird.
turtle,
Turtle.
quilt, qua,
Quill. Qua.
star, r,
Star.
dollar,
Dollar.
horse, or,
Horse.
doctor,
Doctor.
worm,
Worm.
will, wa,
Well.
cake, a,
Cake. A.
dime, I,
Dime.
concrete, e,
Concrete. E.
hose, o,
Hose. O.
cube, u,
Cube. U.
hook,
Hook. Up.
tooth, oo,
Tooth. Up.
sheep, e.
Sheep. E.
Very good. All right. So now we are going to review the 9 spelling sounds. I want you to put your finger next to number 1. We're on spelling high frequency word practice 39. We are on this page right here. The one that says 1 through 9 spelling sound review. Next to number 1, I want you to write umbrella,
Umbrella.
What letter makes
U.
U.
What's what?
U. Number 2, shark, sh.
Shark.
Number 3, feather, z.
Feather.
Number 4, whale, wa.
Whale.
Number 5, hook,
Hook.
Number 6, tooth ooh. Number 7, cake A. That's A consonant E. Number 8, sheep E. That's E, comma, E, final digraph, E. E, comma, E, final E. Number 9, inch I. It's I with a breathe on it. So this is how your paper should look. If you need to pause the video now, go ahead and pause it. Okay, yes, number 10, we're going to practice spelling some words. For number 10, I want you to spell the word hood. Hood. The hood of a car is the front part, top of the car. How do we spell hood? H-O-O-D. Next to number 11, feet. Your feet stink. I'm just kidding. That was just a joke. Okay, how do we spell feet? F-E-E-T. Number 12, cave. A bat lives in a cave. C-A-V-E. Okay, number 13. Number 13. Were. Were.
Which one? W-E-R-E.
W-E-R-E. Sight words, number 13. W-E-R-E. It's not where. Were and where is not the same. Where is W-H-E-R-E. Like, where is my jacket? Where. Were is like something that had happened. We were in the park. We were doing math. They're two whole different words. Okay. Number 14. Your. You're so pretty. Your. Y-O-U-R. Number 15. Could.
C-O-U-L-D.
How do you spell could? C-O-U-L-D. That's how your paper should look. Okay, you see the part where it says sentence?
Yes.
Okay, that's dictation. That means I am going to tell you to write this sentence down. Before you write it, what should a sentence begin with, class? If it doesn't, I'm going to count it wrong. It should start with a capital letter. What does it end with, class? Good. Some kind of punctuation mark, like a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Echo this sentence. Don't write it. Echo it first. Where are the ducks that were in the pond?
Where are the ducks that were in the pond?
Very good. What kinds of punctuation do we use here?
A question.
A question, because it is a question. Write this sentence on the lines on the bottom of your paper. Make sure you begin the sentence with a capital letter and put a question mark at the end. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? Make sure your handwriting is nice and neat. If you're not writing on the lines and it looks like a chicken wrote it, I'm going to throw it away. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? Okay, this is how your paper should look. Where are the ducks that were in the pond? Okay. All right, now we're moving on. You can put your paper aside. I want you to echo these words. I want you to listen to the sound in the final position. Milk.
Milk.
Task.
Task.
Sink.
Sink.
What is in this what is the sound in the final position? Very good. No, not s. It's just k. Echo them again. Milk.
Milk.
Task.
Task.
Stink.
Sink.
What sound is in the final position? Very good. I want you to look at these words and see what is making that sound. We have milk, task. Oh. Sorry. Milk, task, stink. What letter is making the final sound here, everyone?
K.
K. What do you think these words have in common that tell us the spelling, the final K sound? What do they have in common?
They're all end with K.
Okay. Look at the letter right before the K in each word. Are they a consonant or a vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant, consonant, consonant. Very good. They are all consonants. So how do we spell the final K sound when it comes after a consonant? With a K. So if something makes the K sound at the end or the final position and it comes after a consonant, it's spelled with a K. Listen to some words that end with the K sound. Book,
Book.
peek,
Peek.
look.
Look.
Let's look at these words. We have book. Yes, Ramsey. Yeah. Yes. Book. Thank you. Peek and look.
Wait, those all end with diagrams.
What is the final letter in each of these words? K. What do you think these words have in common that tell us to spell the final K sound with the letter K? Look at these letters right before the K in each word. What do those letters have in common? They are all, no, they are all diagraphs. Good. And what kinds of diagraph are they? Good job. Vowel diagraph. Very good. So how do we spell the final K sound when it comes after a final diagraph? With a K. I'm going to add this information to our final K spelling rule card so you can check your spelling when you hear a K in the final position. Who remembers how we spell the final K sound when it comes after a short vowel? With a what? With a CK. Now we've learned two spellings for the final K sound. So remember this rule card that was up there, final K spelling rules? CK after a short vowel, like black, duck, lock. All of those vowels are short with a breathe. K after a consonant or a vowel diagraph. So that means if it comes after a vowel diagraph or a consonant. KE after a long vowel, like broke, like, make. C at the end of a word with two or more syllables. Garlic, picnic, Atlantic. In that case, it ends with a C. Very good. Okay, I'm going to put this on the wall. Let's see. All right. I already said that one. Okay, very good. Now let's go to our spelling high frequency word paper. Let's flip it over to where it says new sounds and words. The new sound and word we learned that should go under number 1 is K, comma, C, final, C, K, comma, K. That whole answer is your answer for number 1. I mean, for the answer for the new word and sounds for 1. So it should say K, comma, C, final C, K, comma, K. Should look like that. Okay, now next to number 2, I want you to write the word look. Look at me. Look. How do you spell look? L-O-O-K. Number 3, I want you to spell the word dark. Dark. When I turn off the lights, it is dark. How do you spell it? D-A-R-K. Next to number 4, spell the word back. At the back, on the back of your paper. Back. How do you spell it? B-A-C-K. That's how your paper should look. Let's read these words together, the high frequency words in this box. As we read it, I want you to check the box that says read. Let's read. 1, 2, 3. To, see, soon, need, time, ride, there. Very good. Now I need you to write the word next to it one time, and then you can check off the spell box. So it should be like this. But do it for all of them, guys, okay? When you are done, you're going to write 2 sentences. Each sentence needs to have one of these high frequency words that are in this box. So 2 sentences and use 2 different words in each sentence, okay? All right. Okay, so after you are done with writing your 2 sentences in the spelling high frequency word practice, you're going to take out the homework in the worksheet, page 39. It says, when spelling with the final k sound, CK is found after a short vowel and K is found after a consonant or a vowel digraph. So you need to put the correct spelling at the end of the word if it's a K or a CK. You can always refer back to your spelling dictionary, the Saxon dictionaries that I gave you guys. The rule card is actually inside of your books. So go ahead and take out your small Saxon dictionaries for me. Let's find what page that's on. You're going to need to have that out so you can do this right. Oh, and a heads up. I am going to take this up for a grade. So make sure you take out that booklet. Take it out so we can talk about where we can find this answers. Good job. Destin, can I borrow yours, please?
Oh, I got mine.
Okay, it looks like this. Student Spelling Dictionary and Reference Booklet. Okay, so if you open up this booklet, it's going to be on page 52. It's on page 52. It'll say Final K Spelling Rules, and then it tells you CK after a short vowel, K after a consonant or vowel digraph, KE after a long vowel, and then C at the end of a word with 2 or more syllables. Okay? So use this when you do this. If you can't find this or you don't have this book for some reason, you can pause the video now. Pause the video now. Okay. All right. I would write that down if I were you, just in case you don't have it, okay? All right. Have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.